Hello and welcome to ITC TechShare. Today I would like to give you a couple of tips about how to tell what version of PowerPoint that you are currently running. I've been getting a few questions from faculty that have the older version of PowerPoint, PowerPoint 2016, and you can still use PowerPoint 2016 to do your slideshow recordings and to do screen recordings. However, there are some additional features that may make it worth your while to upgrade to the latest versions, which is Office Desktop version 2019 and PowerPoint 365. So how do you tell what version you're running? So first, if you go up to the File menu and you go down to the Account choice right here, this gives you the information about your licensing, and this is Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus. Now this is my Surface Pro tablet that I'm running this on here. So we'll just go back here to my main slideshow here. And then if I go to an older computer, I've got one set up over here. So let's switch over to the 2016 version of PowerPoint. And as I come over to this computer, let's see what version that we're running first. So we're going to go to File, go down to Account, and this is Microsoft Office Professional Plus version 2016. So this is the older version. What that means is, in the tabs as we go across, when we go to the Slideshow tab, just like in the previous videos that I shared with the newer products, you can still record your slideshow using 2016, and you can record it from the beginning or from the current slide, similar to what we did with PowerPoint 2019 and PowerPoint 365. However, you don't get the video picture-in-picture with the older 2016 version. Back in the 2016 days, Microsoft had a plugin called Office Mix, which provided that functionality. In fact, Office Mix functionality has been incorporated into the newer versions of PowerPoint. But if you do have PowerPoint 2016, don't let that stop you. You can still record using the slideshow, slide by slide. You just don't get your little webcam picture overlaid on top. And then, of course, if we go to the Insert tab, you still have the option of doing screen recording in the version 2016 as well, and you can still do it. People have been doing that for a long time. So I just wanted to clarify, one, how do you tell what version you're running, and secondly, if you do have the older versions of PowerPoint, you can still do your slideshow recordings and your screen recordings and turn them into MP4 videos. So until next time, this is Tom Grissom. Keep on learning.